Hi guys, listen. This is my peanut butter jar. I made a queen punch. Beautiful. I'll show you how it's done. You gotta cut this side of the bottle off. Okay? Then you gotta, once you've cut that off, I'll show you a very done one. There. Then you're gonna take a piece of wood. That's too small. I don't know, I've got someone to cut me a piece of wood, but I think it's a bit, it fits in there. Okay, it's going to have quite a few pieces of wood. You want it to fill up this section here. Oh, jeez, I've got no luck today, mate. But anyway, it goes in there, right? It fills in that section with a hole going through, which is this part here. I'll show you. That's it there, with the wood in it, and that's where it goes. Okay, now let's get on to the next part. You need rubber. Oh, that's fine. I've got rubber in here, stuck down to the plastic here. Okay, the cap. Right. You need to drill a hole through there so it matches up the same. Okay, get that out of the way. Oh, before you do that, you need to get all your washers. Put your washers in. Believe me, I glued these washers of mine in, because I can't weld or anything here. I'm in a room. And then I've got the rubbers here. Alright, so the rubber goes in there, the washers fit in nicely, hunky-dory, and that's how the whole thing goes together. So okay, so we move that out the way. Now, you've got your rubber and your glue, everything. You've got to make sure when you put it together, it goes together, it's straight, and you can drop your pin inside, okay, and it falls through the bottom. Put it in again, and it comes out the bottom. It works every time. So you got, that's how it fits, okay. Now we're going to punch a hole. Prove that this thing works. I've got little lines on yes, you know, they're very on the black, not very easy to see. Alright, now you measure your coin, you get the coin in dead center, and this is where the drawing pins come in. Put a drawing pin there. I just hope it's in the right place. My eyes are bad, man. Alright, let's just see. That goes in there. Yeah. This drawing pin goes in here. Oh wait, don't go over too much. You got to keep watching what you do. You know, you got to make sure that, well, you'll be good at it. My brother seems to get it right. Okay, now you put the cap on. This washer here will hold that whole lot down. All right. Close it up. You have a look inside. Pretty good. Now you take the punch, put it in. We're going to take you over to the press. Sorry, a minute. 1 minute. Okay. There's the press there. Put it in the press, okay. Make sure it's standing up straight. Everything's lined up. Now, bear with me as we punch a hole through. Hey, she went through. Yeah, lovely stuff. Now before I take it out the press, I'm going to take you back to my bench, my little table. Okay, right. I'm just going to do that. Right. Go all the way through, yeah. It did. Okay. That's out there. Unscrew it. Okay. A little bit off center. I'm old. I shake a lot. But anyway, the whole idea is I've got it through the bloody hole. Yeah, that's a bad squiff hole, that thing. You see what happens when you're losing your sight and you're going blind. Well, this is what happens. But anyway, you can do it, I can do it, anybody can do it. Alright? I might go through a hard time. Jeez. Don't worry about that. Right, yeah. So I can make a hole through a coin. You can do it, I can do it, we can all do it. It works. It's what I call my peanut butter punch. Hey? So remember, subscribe, like, and share my video. Have a great day, guys. Ciao.